The craving for comfort food is increasing, and the holy grail for such a treat must be the cheddar cheese sauce. This one is a foolproof choice with a generous flavor, a smooth texture, and a wide scope of use. That's why it's a bestseller. You can serve it straight up, as a dip or topping. And you can easily put your own twist on it. For example, make a super snack combo by seasoning both cheese sauce and fries with this one. Or go this way, or this way, or this way. As it melts beautifully and stays juicy, the cheddar cheese sauce is a great option for quesadillas, grilled cheese sandwiches, brekkie waffles, cheeseburgers, and cheesy donuts. Since it's super stable and doesn't split, it also comes in handy when making mac and cheese, lasagna, and other baked dishes. You can heat it, reheat it, and keep it heated for a long time. If you want it less thick and savory, just mix it with some cream. Unless you totally burn it, you can't go wrong with this one. So, this cheddar cheese sauce is the foolproof way to great comfort food.